सी
जें कितें जालां म्हाका दिसता इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द काँग्रेसीस पॉलिटिक्स. द काँग्रेस tried to destabilize the government by making a very bombastic statement. First it began with Mr. Khalab saying that there is likely to be an earthquake. At that time I had cautioned them that the earthquake could be in your camp. Now on Sunday when this Kukoli also had made a reference that the Congress is repeatedly saying that they don't require Vijay Sardesai to throw this government. I said, don't talk about throwing the government. Your own house is not in order. So I think that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This Newton's law applies to politics also. And the Congress has tried to destabilize the government and resulted in destabilizing themselves. The elected representatives within the Congress party are tired of these games, the negative politics played by the Congress leadership at the state level. And I think this is what is manifesting itself in revolt by the Congress MLAs. So म्हाका दिसता तें अशें की काँग्रेसीची स्टेट लिडरशीप अशा लोकांच्या हातान आसा जे निवडून येवंक शकना, जांकां निवडून येवन जे लोक प्रतिनिधींक दिसान दीस जे कितें चॅलेंजीस फेस करच्यो पडटा ताजी इल्ली पसून कांय समजूकाय ना अशा मनशाच्या हातान काँग्रेस पार्टी दिल्ली आहा आनी तें जें कितें करता तें सारकें नकारात्मक भुमिका घेवन फुडें वतात. ही नकारात्मक भुमिकेच्या विरोधान काँग्रेसीन रिएक्शन जावंक लागलां. हें रिएक्शन इज मोर समटायम्स मोर इंटेन्सीव दॅन द एक्शन, and this is what is showing itself.